So I've been waiting for this sewing machine since I ordered it on April the 30th. And it finally comes today on the 13th of May. The packaging looks like it was used. Maybe somebody returned it. I'm not sure. I guess you can't judge by the packaging. However, the sewing machine is very light. I mean, ultra light. Very light. I'm almost scared to open it because it feels like it could be a joke or a Christmas toy for a little girl. The box is dented. Okay, but it has instructions. The instructions. See how easily I picked it up, like it's no weight to it at all. So it did come with a foot pedal. Came with some bobbins. Some bobbins already wound and some blank. There you have the power cord. You see how easily I lift it up? It's like I'm so disappointed. So the machine is already threaded, which I'm going to have to look at it to make sure I know how to thread the machine. That's the off and on switch, and I have no idea what the other button is for. That makes the wheel go up and down, and I believe that top portion is for a spool of thread. The back part right there with the purple handle, I didn't show it to you. That's to lift the foot up, and then I just showed you the bobbin. It's like a drop-in bobbin. So now I'm going to plug the machine in. One is for the foot pedal and one is for the power cord. So I insert the power cord. Excuse the mess, y'all. I'm in my bedroom because I've been doing earrings and stuff. It's more comfortable for me to sit in my bedroom. Now I'm going to plug in the footstool. The foot pedal. The footstool. The foot pedal. Now I'm trying. There was a piece of material under the foot pedal. I guess they put it there to show that the machine does work. So there I'm using the foot pedal with my hand. And I want to see if it sews. And it did. It sewed. So I'm going to try my own material. Let's see. It actually did sew. So I'm using it with my hand instead of my foot. And you can see there it's really a sturdy seam. It's really strong. Pretty good so far. Here we go. Here we go. Now the string is popping. The thread is popping. Just like with my big machine, the thread is popping. However, I believe the string is popping due to this bobbin because the bobbin seems to be stiff. And I'm going to redo it, but I'm coming up with a part 2. And I'm going to show you how it works, because I can't do it right now, and I need to do my hair so I can show you guys, so I can get on the camera, because I don't want to get on the camera like I look. But you see my raggedy slaggedy hair. I don't know why this was so hard for me to try to thread this needle. You see how hard I'm pulling there. It shouldn't be that much tension, and I'm not sure if it's one of those buttons. Well, the purple button. The other button that's not the power button, I don't know what that is yet because I took this right out of the box, so I didn't get a chance to read anything, but maybe that's the tension. I'm not really sure, but I have to figure that out because what I don't like is for me to be in the middle of sewing and the thread keeps popping. That's very annoying, but it seems to be stiff, and I'm gonna have to see. I don't know if it's the bobbin or if it's the part where the... Anyway, I'm going to go investigate it because right now it's just... I just took it out the box so we can see what's going on. You see how hard I'm pulling it there? That doesn't make any sense. And it's going to keep popping because it's so stiff. I'm not sure what the problem is. But they didn't provide any oil or anything, so I guess I have to get a little bit of oil to try to put it in. Oh, they did supply me with another needle for the machine, which is excellent. Yes, I'm extremely happy about that. Extremely. I don't think this machine is really going to be good for anything heavy duty. And I really didn't get it for... I'm not doing anything heavy duty at the moment. I'm just making masks. And that's not really heavy duty at all. I really got the machine so that I can sit in my room and relax while I'm doing these masks because I don't always feel like sitting up. So I got this machine specifically so that I can do it in my room. So I'm going to do a part 2. Let me check it out and I'll come back and let you know. Thanks.